In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can divide a quantity into a given ratio. A ratio is used to compare two or more quantities. In this case, we've got 3 parts to 4 parts. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, so there are 7 parts altogether. If I'm going to divide 70 into 7 parts, that means that 1 part is equal to 10. If I know that 1 part is 10, that would mean that looking at the original ratio, 3 parts must be 3 times 10, which is 30, and 4 parts would equal 4 times 10, which is 40. One thing to always check is that the sum of the two numbers that you get at the end add up to the original number that you were trying to divide. So dividing 70 into the ratio of 3 to 4 gives 30 to 40. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. The sum of 2 and 5 is 7. There are 7 parts altogether. I need to divide 42 into 7 parts, and this gives me 6. 6 is the value of 1 part. Looking at the original ratio, and knowing that 1 part is equal to 6, 2 parts must be 2 times 6, which is 12, and 5 parts must be 5 times 6, which is equal to 30. To quickly check that I've got this right, find the sum of 12 and 30. 12 plus 30 is equal to 42, which is the original amount that I was trying to divide. Dividing 42 into the ratio of 2 to 5 is 12 to 30.